I'm Lucia, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make stickers. Let's go! Here are the supplies you need. Take your parchment paper and stick on a piece of tape, sticky side down. Next, make a small-ish drawing. Cut it out. Make sure to leave a little space on the border. You can also print out a picture of your choice from the internet. Place your drawing on the tape-covered parchment paper, and place another piece of tape on top. Cut this out as well. Again, leave a little border. After you've done all this, you should be able to just peel off the parchment paper and stick it to any flat surface. I hope you have fun!